I spent 7 days working every single hour that I had to build this. And I'm giving it away for free. It's called Keak. You hold 2 keys, you hold Control Alt, and you just talk and it does stuff for you. It's an AI voice agent that is specifically designed to be productive and do work for you. I'm going to show you everything and how to use it in just 2 minutes. To download it and use it, it's totally free. You just search keak.app and in here you download it for Windows or for Mac. It works with any tool as I'm going to show now, and there are 2 different things. First, the control windows that you can dictate anywhere. You just hold control windows, speak freely, and then when you stop, it writes for you. It's like Whisper Flow but with a lot of more stuff. And you can connect it to your second brain to give it real context. But the thing is that to use this, I am not going to charge you anything. You can download it for free and use it for free. You just have to use your own AI inside Keak. You can connect your AI to tools that you already pay like Cloud. You can connect it via subscription. You don't have to connect it via API key that it's more expensive. And you can use models like cheap models like Haiku. Then you can also connect it to ChatGPT subscription. With Gemini, you have to connect it via API key, but you can have a free one. Grok, it's the same with DeepSeek Mistral, or Oyama, that it's local and you can use it freely. So let's go straight to the desktop app. In here, it's like the control windows thing, like the transcribe thing, you talk and it writes. But if you click connect your AI or Keak AI, it brings you here. And here is your AI voice assistant. You can connect it, as I said, to Cloud. You can choose the model, the effort, and then there's ChatGPT. You just sign in with ChatGPT and that's it. Or Copilot, Mistral, or local models that are free and run on your computer. And it doesn't run on your own money. You can connect it to a Cloud subscription, ChatGPT subscription, or Copilot subscription. You can also connect it to other AI tools via API key like Gemini, Grok, or use it with free local models like Oyama. Then you can create, like, these are the default agents, like one for research, planning, writing, analysis, design, summaries, but you can create your own. You name it, do like a brief description and then the personality. And you can choose which model it uses and the color when it appears on your screen. Then there's the second brain that you can connect to a folder in your computer that most people now have, like a second brain, an operating system in their computer with all the context, all the projects, all your life and all your businesses. So it knows a lot about you and can do actual real work. You can give it like full access or just that it reads. And then you can make it visual, like just click make it visual and that's it. You can choose different themes like space and 2D or 3D. And in here you just click and see how it's all connected, like the main folders and everything. You can search in here, change like turn into a brain shape, or change like the background or ocean. Then there's the routines, like if you use Cloud Code, you'll know, like you can create a routine, name it every day or every week or just once, what it has to do and with what AI should do it. Like, for example, if it's like a simple task, you can put like a local model and it's totally free for you. And it can send the results to Telegram, show you in Keak or via email. And which tools can it use, for example, and save it. Then there are the connections that you can connect to almost any app you use right now by signing in. You can connect it to Google, so it will be able to create calendar events, send you Gmails, create documents, folders in Google Drive. Same with Microsoft. Then you have Notion, Slack, Figma, Supabase, GitHub, Shopify, Telegram. In Telegram, you can talk to it via your phone. You message it and it will answer you. Like, you can tell it to create something in your computer and it will do it. and you don't even have your computer. And more AI tools like HeyGen to create videos, Perplexity to research, Higgsfield make, any AI tool that you use right now. Then when you ask about it, you can continue the chats like in here in the work section. You can see like the actual full screen and chat with it or change the model. Like we can put like Haiku or chat with the Keak AI or with the agents. And in here you have the context and it can create artifacts like websites, PDFs, documents, or even an app. And you can give it personality, humor, warmth, formality, directness to adapt it to how you want it to answer and talk to you. There are different languages you can use it. And you can give it like full access or ask first when it takes control of your screen. And you can choose like the voice. You can use like Gemini voice, but you'll need an API key or the OpenAI voice or 11 Labs. But then there is also the Windows or MacBook choice that it's totally free for you. And in here you have like the models, or if you use Gemini, the different voices, you can preview them.
Hi, I'm Keak. This is how I'll sound when I talk to you. Hi, I'm keak. This is how I'll sound when I talk to you.
And you can change it if you want. And when it talks, you can turn on and off the captions. So you just have to hold Control-Alt. I'm going to show you how it works. Hey Keak, can you present yourself, please?
One moment.
It will use like the model that you choose, but in this case we ran out of it, expired the session, but you just have to copy, go to your terminal, and it will appear like to connect it in here, to authorize it. And with this, it will use the subscription. When it's done like this, you go to the app again and connect with Cloud Login and choose the model. So now it should work. Hey Keak, can you present yourself, please? Depending on the model you use, it will answer faster or slower.
Of course, Pep.
In this case, we use like Haiku, that it's like the cheapest one. And it has answered.
Hey there, I'm Keak, your friendly voice assistant here to help you get things done. I'm designed to be quick, conversational, and right to the point. Perfect for when you need a fast answer or want to kick off some work with my team. I've got 6 specialist agents I can put to work for you. Sirius handles research and finding the best options. Polaris plans structure and strategy. Rigel writes and polishes copy. Canopus analyzes and compares. Deneb dreams up design and layout ideas. And Neos pulls everything together with summaries. Just ask me to use the team or call one by name, and we'll get moving. What can I help you tackle today?
Hey Keak, could you put like the humor to 100 out of 100, please? You can turn on or off the captions.
Done. Humor is now 100 out of 100.
It changed the voice because now we ran out of the Gemini free API key, so it uses like the free voice, in my case Windows, or in your case maybe MacBook. Hi Keak, could you create a calendar event, name it Meeting with Ryan, and make that it's in Friday at 9 a.m.
All right, Pep.
A meeting with Ryan scheduled for next Friday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. The location and Ryan's email still need to be confirmed. Tap See It to read all the details.
So you can see it used like the team, like my agents that I have. So this is one of many things that you can do with it. Anything that you can imagine, you can do it. Or if you want to see an example of how it takes control of my screen, if we go to, for example, in here,
You've got Wednesday, May 22nd, confirmed for your meeting with Mark. We need to nail down the specific...
hey Keak, could you go to YouTube and click on the first video that appears, please?
Let me see. I'm sorry, but there are no search results to show. The search returned 0 videos, so there's nothing for me to click on right now.
I want you to go to YouTube first and then click on the first video, please. Let's
Let me
see
see.
if I say a better prompt, it does it.
Found the first video for you. It's titled Unrelated Queries in Your Search Term Reports from the Google Ads channel, published on July 7th, 2026. The video ID is J9IPS_FKEDK, so I'm clicking on it now to open it.
Thanks. So now that you have seen how the keak.AI voice agent works, now we can try like the other thing, like the transcriber. Just click Control Windows. How are you today? I'm going to do a meeting with Ryan. Please send him an email. And you stop holding and it writes. Like that, with punctuation marks and everything. So to have all this, just download it in your Windows or MacBook. And in here you have the plans. So in the free plan, like $0, you can connect it to your own AI as we talk about it. You can create your own agents, routines, plugins, and your second brain. Connect it to your apps like Google, Notion, Slack, Microsoft, Perplexity, in all languages. Then you have like the context mode and can name your assistants and have 15 minutes of dictation, the control Windows thing. And have like vocabulary style and 7-day history, that this is this part, like history, save notes. And in here you'll see the usage of the transcriber thing. Then you can change the plan to plus, that it's basically the same as the free one, but you get 3 hours of transcribing, like the control Windows that I talk and it writes for me, not the AI voice agent. It's already included with the free plan, so in the plus plan you get 3 hours of dictation. Then you can have like the €8 plan a month, that you have everything in the other plans, but you get unlimited dictation. And if you don't want to use your own AI, you can use the keak.AI on its own AI, and you don't need keys or to sign in, and have 250 questions a month. And then you can have the team that you can contact me and we talk about it. And then if you want to buy extra credits, you can buy dictations credit, like 60 minutes or 300 minutes, and then the keak.AI more questions. So we have covered everything. I hope you like it and want to try it, and tell me how you use it. And if you like all this stuff that I built, just give a like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thank you for staying to the end of the video.